What's good, you guys? Welcome to another weekly outlook video. Now, we have been super bearish since past, I suppose, 3 weeks, and we have seen fantastic results only because we were right in the direction. If you remember, I had called the top on gold, saying about 1958 could be the highest level gold could go, and gold reversed from 1958 to all the way down to 1809. Right now, looking forward, what do we have on gold and all other pairs? We will be talking about that right in this video. So also, before we start that, in the recent weekly outlook video, I had shared about a trade on US oil which exactly played out as planned. As I marked the chart on the weekly outlook video, we precisely hit those level, tapped into the trade, hit the target and reverse back up. So make sure you follow and understand these outlook videos very well. You keep a check on all the pairs that you are interested in. Also, in the same time, feel free to comment below. Let me know what you think of these videos. Are they helping you or not? And if you have any other pair on your mind that you want me to analyze, just let me know in the comments below. I will make sure that I include them in the next weekly outlook video. So, yeah, without wasting any further time, let's quickly get started. Let's start this analysis with DXY. So, on DXY, on a monthly time frame, we have tapped into this demand area and trying to head higher. On a weekly, it was much cleaner, I suppose. This was our demand. This was our demand area. We had a good fake out. If I mark this up, yeah, we had a good fake out, trapped sellers more in this picture, and we are continuing going higher. And this price action was exactly as we discussed in one of the previous videos, where I said that price will go sideways at approximately these levels, and then it will try to blast up. So it is exactly what is happening currently. Now you can expect some sort of pullbacks in the market, wherein price can do on DXY, it can maybe do something like this and continue going higher. We can see some sort of pullbacks in the market. So this week I'm expecting a little sideways to bullishness on DXY. Let's quickly talk about gold. So on gold, let's go to monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, we have tapped into the monthly supply area and gave a very beautiful reaction. Now this is also looks like a very classic bearish engulfing candle. Let's refine this on a weekly time frame. So if you are watching my previous videos, you clearly know one thing, that I have been talking about 1760 market reversing down exactly to 1760 since a very long time now. It's been a month, over a month, I would say. 1958 was the level which I was talking about, and we got a reversal from 1959 approx levels, right? So now I expect this price range is very strong, and I expect price to spend some time over here. So if we are breaking below, it's not going to be very easy. We might see bullishness on Monday, and then some sideways price action, and then maybe again bearishness in the market, because this is so in very simpler terms, if I were to explain this, we took 1 2 3 4 5 weeks right inside this price range, right? We To break above 1833, we needed 5 weeks. So understand that it is also not going to break below in just a matter of one candle or two candles, right? It will require some candles, some compression, some doji candles like these to break below and continue its bearishness. If at all it fails, then in that case we can see something like this. Okay, only if at all it fails. Before that, we also have a supply area right here. So 1850 to 1890 is a very important price range to again start selling, right? If I go on a daily time frame now, so yeah, on a daily time frame now, as I said, this is a very healthy accumulation which will require a lot of price action to break below. You will not see a very simple break as you saw right here, all right, on 3rd of February. you will most likely not see price action like this. It has to be choppy, it has to be sideways, which will be slightly difficult to trade. Okay, so I guess let's drop on a smaller time frame if we can refine anything else further. So okay, we do have a good demand area approximately at these price levels. So this is 1774 to 1786, which is a good demand area. Now, of course, 1800 is a round number, guys. So you can expect prices to pull back, reverse a little up from those price levels. But if you want to continue selling, which I suppose should be your aim, then this is a good price range, in my opinion, 1825 to 1834, to again continue to sell, right? And the best range where I would be personally interested would be 1834 to 1846. This would be, in my opinion, this would be the best range to continue selling. So, yes, I think we'll need further price action to understand what we can exactly expect from Monday. But, however, if you see a continuation in selling, don't directly start selling just after we break the low, because again, we have 1800 as a psychological support level, and we can see some kind of reversal in the market and then maybe continue to sell. So ideally, wait before you make any decisions. Wait for London session to open, in my opinion. Let's quickly move to Euro USD. Now on Euro USD, if we go on a weekly time frame, we have, as discussed, we had tapped into a previous supply area, bearish order block on daily time frame, and now we are currently into a demand area. Let's go on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, now this looks like we have very well mitigated this particular demand area. So, in my opinion, there is a possibility that we can do something like something similar to gold, right? Maybe tap into this supply area. I will just mark it up and then continue dropping below. So, this was the supply area that I was talking about, right? And this was the demand area which I was talking about. So we can expect something like this on Euro USD. So far, based on these three pairs that we have analyzed, I think Monday could be possibly bullish after sweeping the low of Friday. Right. Let's go to GBP USD. So okay, interesting thing about GBP USD, I had shared a signal. I'll just quickly show here. Yeah. This is the signal that I shared on my channel, GBP USD sell. So this was the entry 1.20407, and if you see, this was the high. And if you see over here, this was our entry 07 somewhere here. Yeah, right. 710 was the SL, I suppose. Yeah, and these were the targets, 400, 500 something. So we had a very clean, very beautiful trade on GBP USD. You can check. I'll mention the link of my Telegram channel in the description below. Make sure you join it. There's one of my client who flipped $500 into $16,000 with his own risk management, but with the help of my signals on gold. So make sure you're a part of it and make best use of the direction in markets, right? Let's quickly analyze this now. So on a weekly time frame now, GBP USD looks very bearish to me. We have made sort of a double top, and now we are continuing to drop below. So these were some previous demands, I suppose, which we had marked. Yeah, I don't think so this will hold any further, but we can expect some reactions from this point. Overall, I think GBP USD, just wait for price action, wait for higher prices, and sell on rise. That is it. That is all you have to do. Currently, we have a very good supply area right here. if you go on a 4-hour time frame, I'll quickly mention the levels, so you can wait for this. Yeah, you can wait for 1.2, 1.20, 417 odd levels. Exactly the signal which I had gave form turned out to be a supply area, like from where you can now sell comfortably. So yeah, I think if you get prices back into this region, again sell for a new swing low. So if, for example, we reverse exactly from here to here, so target the low of target a lower prices from the previous swing low. So anything here, or maybe even lower than this, because it looks highly bearish. There's no reason why you should be looking for long opportunities on this one. Right, let's quickly go to US oil. Now US oil, okay, so highly sideways, no clean price action. Looks like we can, so there's one possibility on US oil. If we do not now hold 62.46 odd levels, it's going to crash big time. You can expect 53, you can expect 41, 42 odd levels, because this is really not good. What's happening over here? Let's go on a daily time frame. So yeah, on a daily time frame, now we are again, this looks like a distribution to me. So if by chance you again continue get by chance if you continue to get higher price levels, just sell, just sell on rise. I think there's no point in looking for longs again on this. 78 to 79.5, beautiful levels again to short in my opinion. I'll just mark it up right somewhere about this. And now I think you can target, if we have a trendline liquidity. Yeah, we do sort of think you can target either 73.38, or you can even go as low as 71.4. So this looks very good to me. Keep an eye out for this particular trade. We have odd USD now. Let's talk about odd USD. Odd USD, higher time frame, it's slightly bearish. Here we have tapped into a good demand area, reacted beautifully. Right, so again I have a similar bias. um, unless and until this particular swing low is protected, we are good. We can continue going up. We can see some sort of reversal, but overall the major reversal will come only from this particular region. Now of course it's very huge, and it is just a assumption that we are taking in. We are not taking just blind trades, entering at the top and keeping us SL below. Nothing like that. We'll just wait. What I mean is, we'll simply wait for price to come back into this region. Only then we will take swing positions for targeting new highs in the market, right? So nothing before that, in my opinion. Right now, if I keep this aside, right now what you can expect is price to go slightly below, and then maybe give a good pullback, and then maybe continue dropping below. So this also aligns with all other analysis, that we can expect some sort of bullishness, some sort of small pullbacks in the market, and then continue to sell. Here are the levels. 67812 to 68417. So let's see. Talking about USD CAD, I had previously mentioned that uh, we are bullish, and we you can expect a pullback and continuation. However, our entry of course did not get triggered, but prices simply went sideways and continued to be bullish. Our direction was right overall. So on a weekly time frame, now we have accumulated and we look good to go up, right? We have clearly taken out the supply. Okay, now the next area where you can look for short opportunities would be this 1.36822 odd levels to, wait, just refine this from here. Yeah, because since these have already been created, if price has to reverse, they have to go above this, only then it can reverse. Levels would be 1.37105 to 1.38081, from where you could possibly look for a reversal in the markets, something like this. And this could be your first target, 1.35500. Then this could be second target, 1.34750, 750, and final target, which we were earlier talking about, 1.3400. So far, this looks good. However, keep in mind that overall we are bullish. So if you get discounted price by any chance, if you get this price level, or if you get this price level, ideally you should be looking for long opportunities. Let's refine this further. So look for long opportunities from these price levels, 1.35478 to 1.35162, and sorry, and I don't think so we'll come back here, but if we do, then you also have this as your other support from where you could possibly look for long positions. I guess this is it, guys, from my side. I hope you found this particular video helpful. I hope this analysis helps you make some profits in this particular week, gives you an edge. If it does, please let me know. It would mean the world to me. And yeah, if you like the video, comment below, subscribe, share it with your friends, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.